Good morning. Today we will discuss one of the visualization technique, chart. In this presentation, we are going to discuss about chart types. One is Sparkline, another one is bar chart and column chart. Now Sparkline. It is a special type of line chart which is minimalized type of line chart that can be placed directly into the cell in Excel. Sparkline contain no axis like x-axis and y-axis. There is no axis in Sparkline and they display only the line for the data. And Sparkline takes up very little space. Why? Because it can be placed into cell in Excel. So cell is the minimum space. So it will occupy only very little space and they can be effectively used to provide information on overall trends for time series data. So in time series data you have hours, month, year, like that you have details. Now how the Sparkline chart can be created? So by using Excel, so to create a Sparkline chart, we have few steps. Sample data will take here Sparkline chart, the sample data month and north and south. Month wise sales in north side and south side, like that we have taken data. Now we can see one by one. Step 1, if you take, click insert tab on ribbon. You know very well this is a ribbon. Here we have insert. So click insert. Then click line in the Sparkline group. See here where it is. In insert, where is the Sparkline? Here it is a Sparkline. Here we can choose line. So line is chosen. So after choosing this line, you are getting dialog box. There it is asking data range. So data range is something, but in this table, the first data location where it is B and 45. So B45. Here you have to type B45. Okay. B4 here B3. It is old as per theory. Practically here we have the first data B and 45. So we have put over here B45. Now is a colon and last data C, or you can take the same column. The last data over here it is B56. Okay, it's a B. It is here 56. So B56 we can put B56. Now, so the data range is given. Now where do you want to place the chart? In which cell you want to place the chart? Now you can take this location we can take. So this location, how will you identify? B, straight away B and 57. So here you can put B57. Okay. So the format is given here B57 15. Here we are going to put B57. Why? Because data is available in the B50. Data place is available B57 only. So we have chosen. So here you can take B57. Now if you do click OK, automatically the Sparkline graph is created over here. So this is a chart which is placed in a single cell itself. Here there is no x-axis, there is no y-axis. There is no x-axis, there is no y-axis. It is showing only data line. It is showing only data line. Same way we can go for south also. Okay. See, for example, we can choose insert. There you can go for Sparkline. Then you choose line. There you can put data range. It is C45. So here you can put C45 and colon the last data C56. So here you can C56 is given. And same way the output chart play location, you can place it over here. So this is C57. C57. Here you can C57. Now if you put OK, click OK, automatically this chart will come here. This is a Sparkline chart. Okay. This is a example. Now here the shading is given over here. Okay. So it is placed in a single cell itself. So if you want, you can put shading also like this. You can put shading here also. You can put shading. Even if you want to type anything, here you can do some typing also. By that label also come over here. So by this way you will be able to identify this chart. So the Sparkline in cell B15, C15. You can assume, okay, B57 and C57. Okay. It do not indicate the magnitude of the cells in north and south regions. So it is not going to indicate the magnitude of the sales range. So there is no magnitude over here. But you will be able to understand the state. It is coming down. It is decreasing. It is increasing. So in this way you can see the sales range. They do so. The overall trend for these data sales in north appear to be decreasing in recent time, and sales in south appear to be increasing overall. So because the Sparkline are put directly into the cell in Excel, we can also type text directly into the same cell. So that will then be overlaid on the Sparkline, or we can add shading to the cell we have added here, which will appear as the background. In figure we have shaded like this. And as can be seen, Sparkline provide an efficient and simple way to display basic information about time series. Now we will go for bar chart and column chart. Bar charts and column charts provide graphical summary of category data. So these are all very familiar chart. Mostly we are using to display our data. So column chart use vertical bar to display the magnitude of quantitative variables, and bar chart use horizontal bar to display the magnitude of the quantitative variable. Bar and column chart are very helpful in making comparison between categorical variables. Now we will take one example. Okay, this is an example. This is a bar chart and column chart. Consider a regional supervisor who wants to examine the number of accounts being handled by each manager. So here we have listed managers names. Here it is listed each and every manager, how many accounts are managing. So account management. So how will you display this data in graphical manner? So if you use bar chart, see the same data we have taken here also. Okay. So manager details available and account details also available over here. Now same way you can set the details. Is the first data is the last data. So this is the first data. This is the last data. Okay. So we have selected over here. Now we can go insert in the ribbon. See here insert. Okay. Then chart. Okay. In chart. Now it is a bar chart. Okay. So here you have option bar. Here you can take 2D bar. Okay. So automatically this bar chart will be created for the given data. So we can move like this. Okay. See here, if you read this table, you can understand there is some variations in the account management, but it is not in order. So to arrange in some order, okay, we can select this, okay, and completely you can select it. Then you can do right click. You can do right click. Here you have a sort option. There you can go here, custom sort. There you will get dialog box. So here you can do check whether it is checked or not. My data has headers. It should be checked. Now we can go here, column wise, title, there which one you want to sort it. So account managed. Okay. Now in order will be smallest to largest. Now if you do click OK, then automatically it will be arranged in order. See here also it is arranged in orders. Okay. So the same procedure it is given over here also. And here another things we can, if you select this one layout, then only you will be getting this chart tool. Otherwise here if you are not able to select it here, you won't get chart tools. Now you can do select this, you will get to chart tools. There you can go layout, there you have chart title, you have already seen. If you do like this, you will get chart titles. You can edit this chart title. The same way here you have axis titles. So if you take primary horizontal axis, take this one, automatically you will be getting title over here. Same way for axis, if you do vertical, okay, there you can take any option over here. So if you choose over here, this will be like this. Now this is a chart. There you are getting chart title. You can do editing. Here also label. Here also label. So x-axis getting label. Y-axis also getting label. So you can do editing. This title name. Okay. So this will be another one. And now the bars are available. But we may not be able to find out the limit of this each and every account. So to do this, you can select this. You can select this. Okay. Select the data. See the options we were given. By that you will be able to understand easily. See here. Chart layouts. These are all we have already done this. Okay. Now see this is an example we have seen. We have done this. Okay. See here, we can make this bar chart even easier to read by ordering the results by the number of accounts managed. See, each and every manager, how many accounts are managing. So that can be displayed over here. See here also. See for example, if you select A1, B9. See A1, this is a manager. Okay, A1, and fully you can take. Full thing will be selected B9 and right click from anywhere. Okay, right click. Okay, so choose sort. Okay, it was already we are done. I think so. We are already done. So we can drop this. We already done. Due to time constraint, we will go to next one. Okay, this we already done. Okay, so this you can see this relative number of accounts managed for all managers can be easily compared. How can we compare all the managers easily? So for this we can go to chart tools. See here, select this chart first of all, then go to layout, then there you have see data labels. So data label is there, and there you can take outside end. If you choose this, automatically the numbers will come. So each and every person, for example, if you take Williams handling 6 accounts, it is given over here. Okay, and Edward managing 11 accounts. So this is coming over here like this. If you do like this, easily you can compare each manager how many accounts are managing. Okay. So this way you can go for another one also. This is the correct example. We have done this. So note another one is a pie chart. So mostly pie chart will not be used. So wherever we have different color, more color, we can use it. Otherwise, when you have limited color, we won't use this pie chart. Particularly when using limited number of colors for differentiations. So how it can be? This will be like this. It is area based and color based. So most of the time we are not using pie.